Minsan, we can consider this as a reward to ourselves. But the problem is, many people fail on this one. Bakit? Unang-una po, kasi madalas inuuna ito.
Reward agad.
Reward agad. Sahod!
Reward.
Reward. Sahod! Check out. Diba? So, worse, hindi sila nag-stick dun sa 10% na budgeting natin. Yung iba, 50%. Yung iba, sa totoo lang, 100%. How can I say paano yung impossible 100%? By the use of credit cards. Utang. Diba? Wala pa ka pumapasok ng sahod mo. Ubus na yun. Consider it as hurot. Diba? Kaya ganun vitamin. Diba? Di pa pumapasok, may pinaglaanan na kasi may delivery. Ngayon 20, COD. Oh! Church, di masama mag-enjoy. Di masama makuha mo ang gusto natin sa buhay. But there is always a time for everything. In Ecclesiastes chapter 3, sabi na naman ni wise king Solomon, there is a time for everything. May season ang bawat ganap sa buhay. And on verse 12 to 13, let's read. Sabi dito ni King Solomon, I know that there is nothing better for people than to be happy and to do good while they live, that each of them may eat and drink and find satisfaction in all their toil. This is the gift of God. Amen. So dito, he emphasizes the finding of joy and contentment in life's simple pleasure. It suggests na there's nothing better than being happy and doing good. Habang tayo daw po ay nabubuhay dito. Eating, drinking, so ano man yung happiness nyo, and enjoying one's labor is considered, ito po ay considered a gift from God.